May 13 is dedicated to the fourth phase of the Lok Sabha elections, capturing the essence of Indian elections with an uplifted index finger marked with the indelible ink. This doodle is visible only to users in India as the country enters phase 4 of the Lok Sabha polls. Namaskar and welcome. I am Tanya and you are watching Monday special program on IIMT News. The Google Doodle for May 13 has been dedicated to the fourth phase of the Lok Sabha elections. The doodle, which temporarily replaces the iconic Google logo on the search engine's homepage, depicts an uplifted index finger marked with indelible ink capturing the essence of Indian elections. This doodle will only be visible to users in India as the country enters phase 4 of the Lok Sabha polls. During the previous phases of the Lok Sabha elections 2024 held on April 19, April 26 and May 7, similar inked finger icons were incorporated into the Google logo. The fourth phase of the elections is being held today with polling in 96 parliamentary constituencies across 9 states and 1 union territory. Additionally, all 175 seats of the Andhra Pradesh State Legislative Assembly and 28 seats of the Odisha State Legislative Assembly are holding elections on the same day. The Election Commission of India announced that a total of 1,717 candidates from 10 states and union territories will contest in phase 4 of the Lok Sabha polls. Out of the 4,264 nominations filed for the 96 parliamentary constituencies, Telangana received the maximum number of nomination forms, 1,488, followed by Andhra Pradesh with 1,103 nominations from 25 constituencies. Malkazgiri parliamentary constituency in Telangana had the highest number of nominations, formed at 177, while 13 Nalgonda and 14 Bhongir in the same state each received 114 nomination forms. The Election Commission also noted that the average number of contesting candidates per parliamentary constituency for the fourth phase is 18. The last date for filing nomination for phase 4 in all 10 states and union territories was April 25, 2024. Furthermore, the Commission increased the polling time in certain assembly segments of 17 parliamentary constituencies of Telangana from 7 am to 6 pm to encourage high voter participation. Google Doodles are temporary alterations made to the Google logo to commemorate various local and global themes, including holidays, significant dates, and influential individuals who have made remarkable contribution to society. These doodles come in various formats such as images, animations, slideshows, videos, and interactive games, providing users with range of engaging experiences. Thanks for watching IIMT News.